You see, I'm going to move this lumber today. Start loading. Huh? Listen! What is that noise? Oh, it's an elephant! Turn off Excavator quickly! Don't scare the elephant! Whew, the elephant is gone at last. Did you hear that? What's the noise this time? Oh no! It's a tiger! Shh! We can't let the tiger find us. Ah! Tiger, get out of here! The tiger is gone at last. You see, the lumber is loaded into the carriage and ready to go. Start loading the carriage with dirt. All right, it's full and ready to go. Prepare to reverse to unload the dirt. fixed. We have to get the wood there. Start loading wood. The wood is loaded on the car and can be pulled away. Timber transporter arrives and starts unloading. The goods must be delivered today. Huh? What's that sound? Oh no! It's Tyrannosaurus Rex! Turn off the engine! Don't let it find me! Oh no! He's found me! Run! Tank! Please help me drive away it! Okay, no problem. Aim! Fire! Tyrannosaurus Rex has escaped! Thank you, Tank. The bridge has been damaged heavily. I'll have to drive more carefully. Oh no! I need help! Don't worry, I'm coming. The carriage is overturned. I'll pull you up first. Pull back hard. Finally, we're up. Get over here and fix it. Clean up the broken bridge. Timber truck, pull the wood over here. All right, let's go. Get over here and unload the wood. Hook up a thick one. Let's build the bridge. Hammer it sturdily. My task is finished. I will go back. Transporter, it is fixed. You can drive across. Okay, thank you, Excavator. I have to drive more carefully. Finally cross the wooden bridge. Tyrannosaurus Rex, get here. Close the guard. Binding the Tyrannosaurus. Transporter, you can go. Yes. You should be careful. No! The elephant blocks the way! No! Tyrannosaurus Rex ran out! Elephants, dangerous! Tyrannosaurus Rex is out of control! Help! Got it! I am coming there! Let me knock it out! Oh no! It is enraged! Help! Help! Ah! Tank! Fire right now! Goat! Stop shooting! Stop! It is stunned by the shell. Tank guards it from waking up. I'll go to help Transporter. Turn over, Transporter! Turned it over. Transporter, move it right away. Okay, I got it. Lower the guard. Lift it up. Close the guard. I will send the it to Dinosaur Island. Finished. I will go back. I need to be careful. It's dangerous to carry oil drums. No! Tyrannosaurus Rex blocks the way! I'd better go around. Uh-oh! How come the car stalled now? Oh no! Oil drums are rolling down! Dangerous! Oil drums are on fire! I need help! I need help! The Tyrannosaurus Rex is still here. I can't get close. Tank, please drive it away. Got. Fire! The fire is getting stronger. I need to put out the fire. Got! We can cover the fire with dirt. Let's dig a bucket of dirt. Put out the fire. Cover up the dirt. Back to dig more dirt. Dig a full bucket of dirt. We need to hurry up. Cover the dirt on fire. The fire will be put out soon. Hurry up! Hurry up! The last bucket. Turn around. Come on, it's the last moment. The fire is out. Clean the drums away. Don't worry, I'll help you to turn them. Set up them. Thank you, Excavator. Ready to get to work. Transporter, get over here and load the dirt. The transporter's here. I'm loading it with dirt. Oh, this bucket of dirt spilled out. All right, the carriage is full and ready to go. Transporter overturned. I have to save it. Wow, there's dirt all over the floor. We have to clean it up first. Now try it. Can you turn it over? Still no. There's too much dirt. Go ahead and clean up the dirt. All right, now let's try it again. Finally ride a transporter. I have to get back to work.
Oh no!
Oh no! Bulldozer was blown apart by a tornado. Help! Help! Who will help me? You see, the wheels are missing. We need to find the wheels first. Look, here it is. and then go back to get the second wheel. There was one last wheel left. Where will it be? Oh, I saw it. It was buried under the mud. Put this wheel on the car too. Transporter, you take the tires back to the repair shop first. Trailer, I need your help. We moved bulldozer to the carriage. Trailer, please take bulldozer back to the repair shop. No problem.
Oh no!
Oh no, my UTV! It was buried in the mud. Excavator, I need your help. Okay, I'll be right there. You see, UTV is all buried in mud. I'm going to dig up the dirt first. Now let's see if we can pull UTV out. No, we need to dig more dirt. That should be all right now. I'll try again. Oh no! UTV won't start. We need the rescue of trailer. Trailer's here. Let's load UTV. It's loaded and ready to be towed away. I'll clear this dangerous hillside again. A flying dragon landed on the mound. Hopefully, I got back fast, or I would have been on fire. Transporter, get out of the way! Well, we need to find a way to get rid of the flying dragon. Oh, look! The bucket is on fire! Thanks for transporters putting out the fire. The flying dragon is too scary to confront it. What else can be done to get rid of the dragon? Huh? There are so many stones on the ground. Yeah! I hit the dragon!